Good morning everyone. Welcome back ma. See in the last class we have started chapter 2. In that chapter we have completed 3 exercises. Okay, up to 2.3 we have completed and remaining 2.4 and 2.5 exercises are there. That two exercises we will I'll tell you afterwards. Okay. Now we'll start a new chapter, that is fourth chapter, exponents and powers. Okay, why? Because I'm starting this chapter. Why? Because in your unit test exam you are having a syllabus of first chapter, second chapter and fourth chapter. Okay, 2.4 and 2.5 exercises, it is taking too much time to complete that one. So why? Because we are having less time. On November 10th, from November 10th onwards we are starting unit test exams. So for that exams we are having a less time to complete our syllabus. So that's why first I am telling this chapter, that is fourth chapter, exponents and powers. Okay, first of all, what is exponents and powers? Tell me ma, what is exponents and powers? You have come across already in your last class, that is in 7th class you come across this chapter, yes or no? So first of all, what is meant by exponent and power means, see here, suppose here 10 power 9 is there. Okay, this 10 power 9 is nothing but, here the base is 10. For this number the base is 10, this one is your base and this is your exponent. Okay, what is the power is there in that power? It is your exponent or power. Okay, base, exponent and power. Exponent or power both are equal. Okay, this is your exponents and powers. Okay, and already we are having a loss of exponents. Okay, that is you are having some of the problems in that some of the formulas for that one. See here, a power minus m equal to 1 by a power m, and a power m by a power n equal to a power m minus n, a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n, and a power m whole power n equal to a power mn, a power m into b power m equal to ab whole power m, and a power 0 equal to 1. Okay, based on these laws of exponents we will do the exercise problems. Before starting exercise problems, what you have to do, here you are having so many examples are there before your exercise. See here, first before starting your this chapter, leave some papers for 2.4 and 2.5 exercises. Okay, after that start this chapter, keep a main heading and write down these examples. Okay, wait, after writing your main heading, write down this laws of exponents. Okay, these are the formulas you have to write. After that start examples. Okay, whatever you are having in your before exercise, example 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 9 10. So total 10 examples are there. After that exercise start 4.1 exercise. Okay, start exercise 4.1. Now in this exercise I will tell you one problem in each bit. Okay, whichever is difficulty, that problems I will tell you, and remaining problems you have to do by your own. See here, this is your exercise 4.1 and see the first bit in that exercise, simplify and give reasons. Okay, just you have to simplify here and you have to give the reasons. Means, see the first question, this is easy. See, I will tell you this one, 3 by 4 whole to the power of minus 3. Okay, 3 by 4 whole to the power of minus 3. This is your third question. In first bit, this is your third question. So if you observe this exponent and power, this is in the form of a power minus m. Okay, here a power minus m equal to, what is the formula? A power 1 by a power m is your formula. Okay, here what is a equal to 3 by 4, and what is m equal to 3. Okay, now substitute this in this formula. Okay, a power minus m is nothing but 3 by 4 whole to the power of minus 3 is equal to 1 by a power m. A is your 3 by 4, m is your 3. Yes or no? This is your, now you have to simplify this one. Okay, 1 by 3 cube divided by 4 cube. Why? Because since a power m divided by a power b power m equal to a power a by b whole power m. Okay, this is your formula, and here you are having this one. So from here, this 4 cube divided by 3 cube, this 4 will come upside, and this 4 cube divided by 3 cube. 4 cube is nothing but how much? 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64, and divided by 3 power 3. 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. 64 by 27 is your answer. Clear? Are you getting? See, I will tell you clearly one more time. 3 by 4 whole to the power of minus 3. Okay, this is in the form of, write down like this. This is in the form of a power minus m. Okay, equal to 1 by a power m. Actually, this is your formula. Clear? This is your formula. Now, here a equal to 3 by 4 and m equal to 3. Okay. Now, write down 3 by 4 whole to the power of minus 3 equal to 1 by 3 by 4 whole to the power of 3. Okay. From here, 1 by 3 cube divided by 4 cube. How? Since a power m by b power m equal to a by b whole power m. Okay. From here, 4 cube divided by 3 cube. 4 cube is nothing but 64. 3 cube is nothing but 27. Clear? This is your answer. Okay. Similarly, 4 power minus 3 means that 4 power minus 3 it can be written as 1 by 4 cube. 1 by 4 cube is 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64. 1 by 64 is your answer. Like that you have to do remaining 2 also, 2 and 4. Okay, this is your first bit. Okay, see the second question. Simplify the following. See here in the first question 1 by 2 whole power 4, 1 by 2 whole power 5 and 1 by 2 whole power 6 are there. So if you observe this question here, the base is 1 by 2 and the powers are 4, 5, 6. For all this base is having only 1, that is 1 by 2, and the powers are 4, 5, 6. So if bases are equal, what you have to do, then powers should be added. If bases are equal, the powers should be added. Okay. How can you do that one? We'll see. I'll tell you. Okay. See here. 1 by 2. I will tell you 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 whole power 5. Sorry, into 1 by 2 whole power 6. This is your question. See here, if you observe the bases are same. This is your base 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and powers 4, 5, 6. Bases are same. If, write down, bases are same, then powers should be added. Okay, if bases are same, the powers should be added. Here what is the base? 1 by 2. What are the powers? 4 plus 5 plus 6. Okay, 1 by 2 whole to the power of 4 plus 5 is 10, 15.